Hey guys, welcome to my channel Super Buys and Vlogs. I recently placed an order on Charlotte Tilbury app and was waiting for the parcel to arrive home. The parcel got delivered today and the wait time is over. I'm super excited to open this parcel and I hope you will enjoy this video. Come on, let's see what's inside. I'm opening this now and I'll show you all the products one by one. This is the foundation. This is Airbrush Flawless Foundation and this is the full coverage foundation. I chose Neutral 7 and this matches my skin tone. I will open and show you how this looks. Wow, look at this, how beautiful this is. This is Multi Miracle Glow Cream. I'm going to try this cream for the first time. That's why I have bought this one in smaller size. I hope this will be good. This is Hollywood Contour Wand. I chose light to medium shade. I will open this and show you how this looks. This actually has the spongy applicator and this is very easy to apply. This is my most favorite and this is Pillow Talk Lip Kit in Nude shade. It comes with a mini lipstick and a lip liner. I will open this and show you and you can see how beautiful this is. This mini lipstick is very cute, isn't it? I have shown you the ones what I have ordered. With this order, I have got 2 free samples. Now I will show you what I have got. This is Charlotte's most popular magic cream and this one is Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. I will try and test to see if these are actually good for my skin. Thanks for watching.